sun and hopefully correct some of the wonkiness of this sun. I have cut off the top bit to this. I think it was like some part of an oil pump, and we are going to fit it to this or here somehow. I'm not sure yet, still working that up in my mind. And I have the leaves. They also need to be finished, where we're going to connect it to this. But we are going to take a spring that was given to me, and we are going to chop them off and turn them into little flares for this sun. And hopefully it looks good, because if it doesn't, I think I'm going to lose my mind. I have no real idea what I'm doing. Just kind of winging it as I go. Okay, so I found a conclusion, which is kind of dumb, but 4 to 5 inches minimum for each of the 4 cardinal directions should be good. I'm not going to worry about thickness too much. But I need this piece for the flare to be 4 inches when it's curved. So I'm probably going to have to draw out maybe 6, maybe 7 inches. I'm genuinely going to kill myself one of these days. Alright, first flare done, and it is nowhere near the markers I made it, but I like it, so I'm going to keep it and just hope that I have enough metal.